हेलो चिल्ड्रन, आज के क्लास में हम लोग हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस में कुछ प्रूविंग क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन इज अ लैडर रेस्ट्स अगेंस्ट ए वॉल एट एन एंगल अल्फा टू द हॉरिजॉन्टल. Its foot is pulled away from the wall through a distance a. So let us draw the figure. This is the wall and this is the ladder, and let the length of the ladder be a small d. Let AC is equal to d meter. Let this distance is x and this is y. Okay. Now its foot is pulled away from the wall through a distance a. It means this is the foot of the ladder. So it is pulled away. यहाँ से दूर खींच लिया गया ऐसे. It's pulled away. So it means कि if this will come here, so this will come down, and it is given so that it slides a distance b down the wall. Now this part is b. This part is b. CD is equal to b. It is given down the wall, making an angle beta with the horizontal. Now the ladder is, and already length of the ladder is small d. This is d, so also this is also d. This is the length of the ladder, and this portion is small, pulled away through a distance a. So this part is a, and this point is e. So this is the diagram. Show that a upon b is equal to cos alpha minus cos beta divided by sin beta minus sin alpha. Very easy question. Simply you find out these all ratios, sin beta, sin alpha, cos beta, and subtract sin alpha from sin beta, subtract cos beta from cos alpha, and divide cos alpha minus cos beta, divide cos alpha minus cos beta by sin beta minus sin alpha. This will be giving a by b. Very easy question. So at first, and this angle is alpha and this angle is beta. Already it is given, and this angle is beta. Now cos alpha in triangle ABC. Cos alpha, it is base by hypotenuse, so x by d. Let equation 1. And cos beta in triangle EBD, in triangle EBD, cos beta, and this portion is, suppose it is y. Suppose BD is equal to y. Let BD is equal to y. So cos beta is equal to x plus a, base. This is base. X plus a by hypotenuse. So this is d. Equation 2. Now subtract 2 from 1, because we have to find out cos minus cos beta. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So x by d minus x plus a upon d, take LCM, it will be d. Now x minus within bracket x plus a, so this will give x minus a upon d. X and minus x cancelled, this is giving minus a by D. Leave it as it is. Next part, take ratio sine alpha and sine beta. Again, in triangle ABC, sine alpha P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So P is B plus Y and hypotenuse is D. Let equation it is 3, and sine beta in triangle EBD, sine beta is equal to P by H, Y by D. This is P and this is H, so Y by D. Let this is equation 4. We have to find out, we have to subtract sine alpha from sine beta. So subtract equation 3 from 4. This is equation 4. So Y by D minus B plus Y by D, take LCM, this will be D and this divided by D 1, so Y, and this will remain. So finally Y minus B minus Y by D, Y and minus Y cancel, so minus B by D, and let this is equation 5 and this is equation 6. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this cos alpha minus cos beta divided by sin beta minus, this is sin beta minus sin alpha. So dividing equation 5 by equation 6. Note down up to here. Now divide equation 5 by equation 6. So this is 5. So minus A by D divided by minus B by D. So finally it will be minus A by D into D by minus B. So D and D cancel, both negative cancel, equal to A by B. So we have proved cos alpha minus cos beta divided by sin beta minus sin alpha is equal to A by B. Note down. So one more question I am solving. Two stations due south of a leaning tower which leans towards the north. टावर, लीनिंग टावर, एक झुका हुआ टावर है जो कि नॉर्थ की तरफ है. सो लेट अस ड्रॉ द फिगर. So this is the leaning tower and this side is north, so obviously this side is south. So this is north, which leans towards the north, are at distance A and B from the foot. So this is the foot of the tower. So stations are at distance A, let this point is A, and one more station is at B. So this distance is at B. This is the leaning tower, and its inclination is theta. This is theta. So at first, from this point P, draw a perpendicular which meets B M L produced at L, and this angle is theta. And if alpha beta be the elevation of the top of the tower from these stations, so it means this is angle of elevation is alpha, and this is angle of elevation beta. So this is the diagram. Let this distance is x and height of the tower is h. Now we have to prove cot theta is equal to b cot alpha minus a cot beta divided by b minus a. So very easy. At first you find out cot alpha, cot beta and cot theta. So at first cot theta, LHS in triangle MLP, in triangle MLP, cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. So x by h, cot theta is equal to x by h. Now calculate cot alpha and cot beta. In triangle ALP, cot alpha is equal to base by perpendicular. So cot alpha it will be a plus x or x plus a by h. So b into cot alpha, so b into cot alpha is equal to b into x plus a by h. Let this is equation 1. Again calculate a cot beta. So in triangle BLP, this is beta. So we will have to consider triangle BLP. In triangle BLP, cot beta is equal to, this is b plus x, this part is b and this is x. So base by perpendicular, this is h. So a cot beta, multiply this part by a into b plus x by h. Let this is equation 2. Now subtract a cot beta from a cot alpha. So subtract equation 1 from, no, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So it is b into x plus a divided by h minus a into b plus x divided by h, and this whole part divided by b minus a. So this should give x by h. If we divide this by b minus a, this should give cot theta, which is x by h. So dividing this whole part by b minus a, and simplify this. So here now LCM will be H. So start from this part, LCM will be H, and this will remain B into x plus A minus A into B plus x, and this whole part is divided by B minus A. Now B into x plus bx plus AB minus AB minus AX by H is divided by B minus A. So this will be B minus A. Now here AB and minus AB cancelled. Here BX minus AX. So X outside within bracket B minus A, and here it is H into B minus A. Now B minus A and B minus A cancel, so which is giving X by H, and this is our LHS.